Hey guys, it's your boy Archie from Archie's Plushies back with another video today. Today we are playing the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get into it. Oh yeah, and make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment what game I should play next. Goodbye. Here we are. Got the gameplay. I might play as family first. Let me just see if I can zoom in so then you guys can have a better look. Okay, I think that should be good enough for you guys. And I hope you enjoy the gameplay. Now just sit back, relax, and enjoy the game. If I was playing on a PC, it'd be a lot better, but I don't really know how to. Let's go on Leatherface. Leatherface is like my favourite character. I haven't been playing as much. Oh wait, what? Oh yes, we have Pretty Woman. Okay, we're gonna use this. I'm gonna use Pretty Woman this time. I actually haven't played Pretty Woman yet. I'm gonna use Leatherface 20 times this time. I haven't actually played as Pretty Woman. I used to always play as this one, but because I like this one better. But now it looks like I'm gonna play as Pretty Woman. We got a cook. That's actually really good. Oh, now we got a Sissy, which is also good. So I might just leave a little thing down in chat. I just farted. It tickled. My butt cheeks wiggled. It burned, so I didn't do it again. Wait, did I even send it? I'll try that one more time. My stomach hurts. I need Cocoa Pops, but I can't because we have no milk. You know what? Actually, after this video, I might cook myself something or make myself something. I might ask my mum. Actually, no. I'm going back to cosmetics, which actually no, I like the original. Come on, ready up already, no. The views doesn't want to see people just sitting there. So we're doing family house nighttime. This is what I do when I have to wait. Yes, fine. Oh, yes, let's go. Wait, I uninstalled the game because it kept having glitches, but now it installed it again. So if you guys want to add me, we can play the Texas together. Good. Let's hope I don't rev my chainsaw for too long. So I always end up revving my chainsaw. It's either that I stole it or I rev it for too long. And I don't know how I feel about that. Like, tell me how I should feel. Just tell me. Alright, good. Got an armadillo, I'm pretty sure. Or an armadillo. Not sure what their names are. Big Grandma! Hunt and collect blood from victims. We all know that. Execute victims. So I'm pretty sure that's the name of the game. But as a victim, you have to escape. To get bang. What to get loogie? What to put the doogie? Ah! Hold on, wait, guys. Let me just move the camera. Okay. I'm just I hate that glitch. I'm gonna destroy this store because I can, and I want XP. Just jump down here. Why am I glitching? You shouldn't be happening. They went this way, I'm pretty sure. No, what the fuck? Can we just check in here? Oh, no. How did I not see her? There's no way I just lost her. Yeah. First kill of the day. Shit, Grandpa! Thank God you guys still got to see that. So, I'm not going to be talking too much because I want to like just play the game and just concentrate. We got Hitchhiker's. Oh yes, Grandpa. We got good old Grandpa. Good old fashioned. I think after this match I'm pretty sure I'm going to play as a victim. Because sometimes you just need a break off being a family member. We're about to hit him on the head, I'm pretty sure. Yep, it just did it. How did that not get him onto level 1? Bro, my game is starting to glitch. So guys, if you do have the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, make sure that you just destroy doors. That's the best way of getting XP. What do we have? People buying what to believe. I'm locking this. Just collect his blood, so then what? Shut up, chicken. What? Destroy this. Just checking for doors and everything. Go in here. Good. Because if someone wasn't there, that'd be bad because I couldn't get to them unless I knew my way around this map. Just where the fuck does that keep? Just search. Bro, it's so dark in there. They might be upstairs. Let me just check if this is... Yep, they're upstairs. And this is a ladder, which I cannot go up, which is bullshit. Yeah, this is literally what I just said at the start of the game. Nearly at the start of the video. Let's hope I do not overheat my goddamn chainsaw, and I have. Let me just start this up. Oh, I accidentally took a screenshot. It slips. This is over there, hit tracker. Oh, and there's one down right there. Okay, so she may be right underneath me. Just checking. Okay, I'm just... Who cares? I'm not... Check for the bushes. It is what it is, if you know what I mean. Then this just says... No, I swear I saw something. This just says open. No, that someone is through here. Can't go through there. You have to go through it. We can't go over it. We can't go over it. No, we're gonna have to just go through it. I reckon some should be like over here, because like this is the main, most best escape. I'm gonna go through there. I'm turning it off. I'm leaving it on. Yep. There's only like 2 more players left in here. No! I'm such an idiot. When I was arming, I'm probably because I know they went down this road. Come on, Grandpa, give us another roar or yell. Oh, hell no. Oh, there's actually 3 players left. Bro. You're joking me. Hey, at least we got 1 victim. Well, that was a good game. I'll be back. This loads. Okay, time to play as a victim. Oh shit. Sorry guys. Gotta wait. Shit. If I don't find a match, this video won't end here. 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm actually checking my friends online. Well, he is. I just text him, hey. Hey. Oh yeah, and I wrote this to him like last night. Cause last your nearest like will hit your house in 30 seconds. Hello. And we should write back. Yeah. No, who wants to be Anna? I want to be Leland. Let me be Leland. What? You stupid. I want to be Anna. But why? I just want to be Leland. Okay, what are honors even? I'm still requesting. Okay. Okay, let me just check out Julie. What does Julie have? Pain is nothing, and honor. Pain is nothing. So they're basically the same. Just gonna keep requesting because I want to. Looks like we're not playing as Leland today, which is cool. I might have another round of goddamn this because I can't be Leland. You know what? I'm gonna try one more time. Like 50th time is the charm. Fuck you! Get someone become Leatherface and become Leatherface. Oh shit. I woke up at like 8:25. Now I'm kinda and I'm tired. Leatherface! Someone become Leatherface, you dickheads. I actually want to see this if we can even play without Leatherface. Because if we don't, that's actually going to be kind of cool. I'm pretty sure then they all just start upstairs. Oh, you're joking me. Yes, finally. We come Leatherface. Yes, finally. This is the first time playing as a girl. 8, 6, 5, 2, 3, 1. Let's go. But yeah, and sometimes I'm stupid. Like, I know what 5 times 5 is. It's 21. I know how to spell Anna. A-N-A-U C-O-C-K. C-O-C-K. That's how you spell Anna. C-O-C-K. Wait, is this me? No, it's not. That's Jude. Wow, why is it glitching? You know what, guys? I think I might end the video here because of the glitching. So, have a good one. Bye.